Welcome to a new Bitcoin analysis on this Friday after a 5% fall on Bitcoin. Yesterday, we already went up and we are now testing the 4 hour downtrend. I believe we are going to break up, but we have to wait and see what Bitcoin is really going to do. I'm not really sure we bounce on this 1 hour polarity, that level that I have here. I'm gonna talk about that. But first, I want to talk about all the trends that I have on the top. All right. I have a daily downtrend here, but as I said before on previous videos, I like it more on the 4 hour, okay? Because as you can see here, I'm gonna keep this white. This is probably not a good trend because on the 1 hour we broke here, and if we adapt here, we are going to have almost the same as the yellow line. That's the 4 from the top here, okay? So inside this 4, we also have this 4 here, okay? I believe this is a good trend because we also reject that yesterday. I believe it was not just a trend. I believe it was this daily, okay? Oh, come on, trading. Okay, so I believe it was the rejection of this daily as a support. Okay, so what happens here is that if Bitcoin was going to cross above that, we will probably use this candle or maybe this one as support, but it wasn't able to, so it had a massive rejection. And probably also with a combo with that downtrend, we saw a big rejection. Okay, and we were I believe it was on the 1 hour the best trend here that I had. It was the 1 hour, so it was from this point to this point. All right, and we broke that, and also because of that we broke this structure. Okay, because we only add this 1 hour. I wasn't really sure if we were going to hold it or not. I got an entry there, I got stopped, but no problem. I lost three trades yesterday on the stop loss, so no problem. I didn't took nothing more. I took the last one. It was here on 5 minute, I believe, but I got stopped. The price, yeah, I believe it was here. You can see it on the last video. It was here. I got stopped. The price goes 0.5, I believe, 0.5% down. Stays above on the 15. No, we crossed that one on a 15, but this is the 1 hour, so we hold it on a 1 hour, so we didn't add an hard close on a 1 hour. And the level that I marked, it was this one here. Okay, this for me was the last polarity level that could hold the price on this range. Okay, below that I still have these two 1 hour levels and maybe this one, but we didn't went there, so I don't want to talk about that. 1 hour polarity. Okay, as you can see, we just have a test here and the price just boom, 3% up really fast in 1 hour. So after that we tested that on the second time here, and the price just goes higher and higher and doesn't come lower again unless yesterday. And we also had a really good bounce. I'm not really sure we are going to hold this, but this was really bullish after this little correction of 5%. This was really bullish. We still have a 15 there. We might not even go there if we hold the 4 hour, okay, downtrend. So yeah, I don't need this 1 hour uptrend. And right now it's just honestly just waiting. Let's see if we are going to hold this 4. If we break up this 4, I believe we are going to reject a little bit at least this major 4 hour trend. That is also a daily, don't forget that. We still have a 4 hour untested level here. We still have a 1 hour untested level here. Okay, so these two are probably the best levels for a short position, if we break up the trend. All right, guys, I'm not really sure. I don't believe we are going to reject any level here. We already did that. We might reject maybe the 15 here. The 15, I believe it's not tested. Okay, so I think I can delete this daily. I can make it here on the green candle, the body of the green. Yeah, but we already, this is more polarity than probably, this is what more polarity on this 4 hour than that daily. So um I'm gonna delete that daily. On the 1 hour we already tested that. This is probably the top of the move. Okay, we still have, actually still have a 15 there. Yeah, I said that before. So we still didn't test this 15-minute candle. Okay, and yeah, I we have a trail on the 15, this one to this one. Okay, and it stops here, so this can actually hold the price down. This 15 can actually hold the price down if we actually hold 1 hour on the bottom here. A 15 can hold. If it was it wasn't a daily, I'm really sure, not even a 4 hour. If it was a lower time frame than the 15 can actually hold it. Okay, if it was a 4 hour, the 15 probably weren't able to hold. Okay, so this is what I believe might happen to Bitcoin if we break up. I already talked about the rejection points. If we keep the laddering down, honestly, it's between these 1 hour levels and these four down here. Okay, because we also have the 4 hour downtrend from this previous range. I'm not really sure the trend is going to hold, because we might go to this range, to some lower prices on this range. All right, guys, but we are still far away from that. I believe we are going to break up. This trend was already tested 2 times, so we can easily break that up. Okay, thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow on the Bitcoin analysis. Thank you.